Luxe Look AI Face Editor app, so super popular app. Yeah, like it's not available on iOS. It's only on Android. So a lot of super helpful features. I think it's one of the best AI face editing apps out there right now on Android. So you have these main features, like you have skin whitener, so you can whiten your skin. Um, so with AI photo editor, you can brighten and even out your skin tone for radiant glowing look. There is also teeth whitening editor. Our AI tool instantly can whiten your teeth and eliminate yellowing, making your smile brighter and more vibrant. There is lip color changer. Add a touch of glamour with the lip color changer feature of Luxe Look. From a subtle nude classic coral burgundy to bold red, feel free to try out different looks. And you can even match your lip color with your outfit for the perfect selfie every time. Face shape editor. Achieve your ideal face shape with the face shape editor. These intuitive tools allow you to sculpt your face, giving you a more defined jawline and enhanced cheekbones. A shape changer. Take your selfie to the next level with the Luxe Look A shape changer tool. You can experiment with different eye shape and vibes, from deep, round, almost everything in between. Smile brightener. Brighten your smile effortlessly with Luxe Look. This tool enhances your smile by changing the way you smile, whether it's adorable, sweet, shiny, or tender. So pretty cool. And yeah, so you can see 5 million plus downloads. And with this app, you can easily create amazing selfie, especially for women, but in the way that it still kind of looks natural and it's not over edited with AI. Because sometimes with AI, you can just over edit your selfie and it doesn't look natural anymore. So with this app, it's like perfect balance. So yeah, that's the idea. So try it out. If you have Android, just look for this app, Luxe Look AI Face Editor. There.